guys, in today's video, Bella, I know. In today's video, I'm doing another makeup look using the Alamar Cosmetics Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. I have already done one look using this palette, but I wanted to create another one because I had this look in mind and I really wanted to do it. So yes, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I want to use a concealer today. I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer. Sometimes I get in like these moods where I can't do my shadow without tape, and sometimes I don't want to use tape. And right now I'm in a mood where I need tape, so. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is the shade Cocoa Taxi. I'm gonna buff this on my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this shade and start to buff this on the outer V. I'm using a precise blending brush, it's the Morphe Imbo 6. Now I'm gonna take Cocoa Taxi again and just help fade the edges so they blend really nicely. So I still want that orange to peek through just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna go like right in the middle, and I'm gonna try a different like shape technique for my cut crease. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I wanna try it, so let's go. Okay, so once I have my shape on, it's a very odd shape. This is not the way I want it to turn out, but I'm just gonna remove the tape actually. So over top of the concealer, I'm gonna put this shade. Okay, so once I have everything the way that I like it, I'm gonna do a like liner detail. I've done this before, but I want to do it again because I feel like it looked really nice with this look, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so before I add the lashes to this look, I wanted to put this shade on like the very center of my halo eye, just to give it some more dimension. This shade is like my favorite shade in the entire palette. It's so buttery, it's so pigmented. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Coverage in the shades White and Fair. I'm also gonna use this as my concealer as well. Okay, and then to set my face in place, I'm gonna use this Tarte Smooth Operator Amazoning Clay finishing powder. I got this in an Ipsy bag a while ago and I don't love it. I don't hate it either. I'm still testing it out. I feel like it kind of looks really dry on my skin. Oh my god, I just like, I don't like this. Oh my god. Yes, that can go in the garbage. Bella. that like leftover foundation on my sponge or what? Yep, I don't like it. Okay, so now my concealer is set. I want to move back to the eyes and do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go into the shade Cocoa Taxi again and just buff that down there as a transition. And then I'm gonna run this shade right here down there as well, and I'm gonna do that with a bit more precise brush, that way it doesn't go everywhere and be too intensely dark, you know? And then I'm gonna stick this shade in my inner corners and my brow bone. And then I'm also gonna stick this shade in my center, right there. And then I'm gonna stick some lower lash mascara on, and then the eyes are all done. To bronze my face, I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And I'm also gonna use their blush as well. I'm gonna use their Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose. I just thought I'd tell you that all together. I guess make this really quick, because I got to go. I is in a hurry. I've been trying to pre-film a lot of videos because I am going away on vacation soon. And this is the last video that I have to get done, and then I'm all good. I just don't really want to miss a day, so I've been trying really hard to pre-film. And then to highlight, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Duo, and I'm going to use this shade right here. For lips, I'm going to use this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Baby Doll. Just like a nice peachy light nude. I think it pairs really good with the blue. Looks like way different on me now that I'm like more tan. I'm actually gonna layer over a little bit of top lip. I'm gonna take this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. Oh god, that's really dark. Just kind of mix it in a little bit. Okay, so that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I upload Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see the videos, then stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.